Sprinkle baking soda on burnt pots. Stop wasting money. Just sprinkle salt on the burnt pot. This trick is brilliant. I'll show you what a spectacular application it can have. Watch the video until the end. I'll show you in a few simple steps. Get a small container. Pour a tablespoon of salt into it. It's just ordinary table salt, the one you happen to use. Add 3 large tablespoons of dishwashing liquid to it. It doesn't matter which liquid you use. Any will do. Pour 1 tablespoon of white vinegar into it. Now mix all the ingredients until the salt dissolves. It will take a moment. The mixture is finally ready. I'll show you how to use it. You'll see it on this pot. Its bottom is dirty and burnt from milk. Dip the kitchen sponge into the mixture. Start scrubbing the bottom of the pot. That amount of mixture is enough to scrub such a dirty pot. You can try this trick in your home. You surely have the products you need for it. See how simple it is? The effects are instantaneous, even though the pot was very burnt. The mixture handled it. It's a simple and inexpensive method.